sana.
Asante. Mkae chini. Bishop, Mheshimiwa Bishop Wafula na wahubiri wote na kanisa ya Shalom Miracle Church. Hii ndiyo mara yangu ya kwanza kufika kwa kanisa hii ya Miracle Church, lakini nimeona miracles. Kwanza huyu kijana alikuwa anahubiri hapa, jenzi mwenzangu. Kama vile yeye alikuwa anahubiri, mimi niliona miujiza. Niliona miujiza, lakini nimefurahi Bishop kwa vile wewe umetukaribisha, na wahubiri pia wametukaribisha, na hatuna mengi ya kusema leo kwa sababu tunaenda huko nje kuongea na wananchi. Bishop, we want to tell you that what you said about my brother touched me. You told me that my brother was a very, very good friend of yours, and whenever he was in Mombasa, he used to come and pray with you here. I want to assure you that I will also do the same. I will keep on coming here whenever I'm in Mombasa to come and pray with you. I will do exactly what he was doing with you. And I also want to tell you, when a bishop, I saw you are very concerned about the unity of our party. Our party will continue to be united. We are going to be united, and we shall not allow divisive forces to divide us. What we shall not allow in our party is indiscipline. Party must have discipline. It is just like a club. If you don't follow the rules of the party, you keep out of the party. But if you follow the rules of the party, you will be part and parcel of us. That is why we are saying that we have our SG, Catherine Omanyo, and the other SG, party ilisema yeye akae nje kidogo kwa sababu ya kukosa nidhamu. Lakini hatujafukuza yeye kwa chama. SG yule ni SG wa court, na huyu ndio SG wa chama. And we are not going to go back, because there must be some example of discipline. Somebody must feel some little pain for being indisciplined, so that the party can continue to be united. The party cannot be based on fear. There is nobody who is indispensable, including me. Hata kama mimi nikikosa nidhamu nitolewe. There's nobody who is bigger than the party, because the party is for the people. It is formed by the people, and the people cannot fear anybody. Those rules are made for all of us to follow, and those rules must be followed strictly, and if you don't follow them, you fall apart. Hayo tu, Bwana Bishop, nilikuona wewe ulikuwa concerned. If you want to unite us so that all of us can follow the rules. And we are not going to expel anybody from the party, lakini ukikosa nidhamu lazima uadhibiwe kidogo. Yeah, that is all we are saying. And Bishop, thank you very much for the welcome. Tutarudi tena na tena kuhubiri na wewe.